Did he bite your
No,
feet?
it's okay. It's okay. Be gentle. Be gentle. He really wanted to just say hi. He's keep on following us, this one. Hi, cutie. But he doesn't speak. He doesn't speak. He just want to be friends. Oh, he's gonna try to say hi to your leg again. It's okay. It's okay. Just let him. He's just going to feel around it.
Yeah, he could bite the rubber all he wants.
He's a cute
Not my
one.
foot though. His beak is very sharp.
Yeah.
What's this?
He's coming again. He's coming again. Hello. Hello. He's looking at you, see? He's like,
no.
he wanted to feel your You're really interested in the shoes, huh? You're like, is that edible? What is that? I never feel rubber. How is that? Is it yummy? No, no taste. Walk away.